What's going on, everybody? We have this plant caddy right here. As y'all know, on the channel I have reviewed saucer pans and all of that stuff for the boring people out there like us. You know, us boring people, we like stuff like this. So this is a 12-inch. The inner diameter is 11 inches and the max load capacity is 120 pounds. If y'all can't see that, I'll take a picture for y'all and show it to y'all. So you can actually poke your own holes in if you have a bit to go ahead and put some holes in it. If you want to put holes in it, a lot of times this stuff will dry up when you put it in here. That's why you have these bump outs for. You have the bump out so the plant is not sitting directly fully on this. That way water can drain. All right, so there you go. Now you turn it around. You have your preset drilled holes right here. This is where you put your wheels. And this will be good if you want to use it for a bird bath. I never even thought about that. This will be pretty cool. So we have this. Got a box with the wheels. 4 sets of wheels. They gave you a wrench. All you do is twist when you get it on the thread. And now it's getting tighter. So you put your wrench on and righty-tighty. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to put all 4 on. And it's finally done. Nice, simple, and easy. Didn't take long. Wheels roll pretty good. And the cool thing about this, you have brakes right here. Put your brake all the way down, it won't move. Release it, it rolls. Put it in, nice and easy to roll. One reason why you should buy this, just because how easy it is to roll. But I have my water pot here I can show y'all. Now again, you can have a big pot, but have a little bottom to it. And right there, it fits nice and perfect. So if I want to put my little water feature anywhere I want to, then there I go. I could roll it nice and easy. This pot over here has a bigger bottom. This pot over here has a smaller bottom. And we still have space in there. And this is still a regular pot. I could plant flowers in here if I want to. It was nice on carpet, no issues. Depending on the weight that you're going to put on here. This probably weighs 15 pounds. 10. All right, you guys, so I just gave y'all 3 scenarios on using this pot outside, on the carpet, and on the hard surface. I'll catch y'all in the next product review.